Now we have here a PC. Apparently it doesn't boot. Let's see if we can figure out what's going on. We'll do a live repair on this one. Let's boot with just the essentials. And let's see what happens. I'll turn on the monitor. See if I get any output. Okay, nothing on the output. Fan spinning. Pressing the power button once, it didn't turn it off. Holding the power button for a few seconds, it will turn it off. So we need to have a look at this internally and see what could be causing this. Okay, CPU fan running, GPU fan running, computer's turned on, and there is a red light. Let's power off the unit and just do a power cycle. Double check our connections. And this one, has a speaker built in. Let's see if we hear a beep. No beep, nothing. Let's remove the RAM and see if it will complain. It is complaining, meaning the RAM is okay. It actually is passing the post to a certain degree and getting stuck. So the issue lies elsewhere. Put the RAM back in. I do have a solid red light here, which indicates the hard drive light, I'm assuming, and it's stuck on red. I'm not sure if the cable is connected the wrong way and it's stuck on there. So just to eliminate, I will disconnect the blue SATA connection from an SSD and the hard drive connection. Power on the unit again. Now the red light is gone in the front, but this time it should pass post. If that was the case, and checking the monitor inputs, digital, analog, no signal. Okay. Now let's roll out the GPU. This is a new GPU, and at the moment no obvious signs of damage, but we're not sure. Let's try and boot the system again. This time I'll hook up the power to onboard graphics, the monitor to onboard graphics. Notice it's turning on immediately, which is not nice, telling me that there may be a short somewhere. Okay. Now let's just try a new power supply. Now if you notice, this power supply has no on and off switch, but when I plugged it in it didn't turn on immediately. So that's the way it should normally work. And I heard the beep, and you can see the screen, it's booted up. So definitely a power related issue. Yeah, actually we will put the graphic card back in and do a test with that in it. Yeah, I heard the beep sound again, and it booted up fine as well. So this tells us this is potentially a power supply problem. I'll check with the client and I'll be back. Thank you.